guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. For today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make this delicious crispy fried catfish. This recipe is extremely easy and yet so delicious. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Also, if you're new, be sure to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin, I told you guys this recipe was going to be extremely easy. For the breading, I'm using this New Orleans style fried fish seafood breading mix. And I have some Old Bay hot sauce. And also we'll be adding a little bit of lemon pepper. Here I also have some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Now let's begin. I have 2 eggs in this bowl that we're going to add the hot sauce in. I'm using 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, half teaspoon of lemon pepper, half teaspoon of the Cajun seasoning. Give that a nice mix until everything is well combined. Moving on to the star of the show, the catfish. Now I am going to use a napkin to pat dry any moisture because I did rinse this off. Now we're going to heat up the oil. I'm using peanut oil for this recipe and we're going to get started. You're going to take your catfish and add it to the egg mixture. Just add it in there just like so. I am going to place both of them in there and let it sit until my oil is nice and hot. Now for the oil, you can test them out, okay? This is how I test it out. You can use a stick or you can use a little bit of the breading that you're using to see if your oil is nice and hot. Now we're going to take the catfish from the egg mixture, place it into the breading. Dredge the fish fillet into the breading very nicely because you want a nice breading throughout the fish. Once it is done, make sure you shake the excess breading. Then we're going to place it carefully into the hot oil. Just like that. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking. I do make similar recipe like this one you are watching right now. So don't forget to hit the subscribe and also hit the bell. Once one side is nice and ready, just flip it over. Then while that is cooking, I am going to add the breading to the other catfish. Okay, then we're going to remove the one that's in the oil. As you guys can see, it's nice and crispy and golden. It looks so good right now. Next, we're going to place it to a cooling rack so it's not sitting into the oil. And that is the fish. It looks so crispy, and let me tell you, the flavor on this fish is to die for. The meat is nice and tender. The fish is flaky. It's not overcooked. Now I did cook mine for about 7 to 10 minutes. Depends on how thick, like I said, your fish is. But this is it. Hopefully you enjoy it. The best way to eat it, for me, it's with the lemon. Or you can use tartar sauce if you have any. I didn't have any, but it's still, regardless, the fish is amazing. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, leave me a comment down below. Are you going to try this one? And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.